Good Tuesday morning to I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for April 1st, 2014. Happy April Fool's Day, and I don't have any April Fool's jokes for you today, so no snow in the forecast, and I'm not going to tease you with that. Just on the other opposite side of the spectrum, we're going to keep temperatures on the warm side to start the month here with a southwesterly wind flow here. Not very strong, very light and variable, but it will be out of the southwest nonetheless, and a mostly sunny day across most of our region. We're going to have an increase in clouds coming in from the west later in the day, but that'll be in association with this area low pressure here that's moving well north of the Great Lakes here into southeastern Canada here, but we're for the most part we're going to be mostly sunny. Nothing to inhibit the temperatures from really rising with the southwesterly flow, and we're going to have another gorgeous day, actually even warmer than it was on your Monday. And we have temperatures actually a little bit higher than MOS guidance. Guidance is actually showing the strongest temperatures, which we agree with, being about 70 degrees or so out here in western PA, but it keeps most areas in our coverage area in the mid to upper 50s. And we went a little bit higher than that, a little bit more aggressive with the temperatures. Although we'd agree with the temperatures that are up here across the Poconos. As you get south of the Poconos, like the Lehigh Valley, for example, we have 60. It's a little bit about 3 degrees above guidance here, about 4 degrees above guidance in Philadelphia. Down here we have about 63 degrees down here, and 64 down here in Dover. So we're going a little bit warmer than and more aggressive than the models are indicating. And then staying a little bit cooler right along the immediate coastline, but really nothing to inhibit these temperatures from shooting up into the 60s in many locations, especially in the areas we outlined here. Again, out by Harrisburg, you're probably about 60 also, 60, 61 degrees. So you should get up into the 60s in many locations from east central PA and point southward. Same thing with, going to Jersey, cut Jersey in half, and here's your 60-degree line, anything from this point southward. So it should be a nice day as we're looking at for your day on Tuesday. Now we're going to have a cold front that's going to move through with this system that's moving up the north of the Great Lakes here, and it's going to come through on Wednesday. It's going to be a very weak front, but it's to be just close enough to the area you might touch off a shower. Here's your cold front sitting like this, and here's the area low pressure sitting up here in southeastern Canada. This cold front is not going to just come charging through like normal. It is going to move through, and as it does push south, we actually expect it to stall somewhere right around here. So by that thing stalling, it's going to set the stage for some chances for showers over the next couple days. That's going to last right through your day on Friday. Did not just more hit or miss variety, not a total washout, but we are talking about that chance. So here's that stall frontal boundary. Right, these little impulses, little weak impulses that are going to move across our area here, and may touch off some showers as these impulses rotate through. And of course, that would be probably at least on your day on Thursday, and that's your first chance at it. Here's your first chance this is Wednesday night. And then another one here, see another one here moving across the state here. This is actually Thursday night on the GFS. And then the bigger system, this is one that's going to clear everything out for the weekend, we think. It's going to go through the Great Lakes. It's going to have another cold front associated with it. And that means rain that's going to be in the forecast for later on Friday and Friday night. But as you get into Saturday morning here, this is 7 a.m. Saturday, maybe a leftover shower here, but we think this is going to clear out pretty quickly. GFS is actually, believe it or not, the slowest with this feature. Your area low pressure is sitting up here, cold front sitting back here like this, and it's already pushed through, and it's still showing some lingering precipitation here, but I can tell you the European model has already kicked this thing out and is setting up here Saturday with just some morning clouds giving way to sunshine. So it looks like Saturday, for the most part, we did leave a shower possibility in there yesterday. I took it out of there, out of my region today, because I think that you're going to have some clearing here on Saturday, and if not, if it doesn't come sooner rather than later, we're going to have to be talking about Sunday being a very nice day also. So we're not looking at any precipitation at all for the weekend, except for maybe a slight chance of an early shower on Saturday morning in some locations. But for the most part, just the clouds giving way to sunshine and a nice weekend coming up. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for April 1st, 2014. Have a great Tuesday.